In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, sight is not mandatory for being a full-fledged mother, wife and entrepreneur.
A Ray of Hope.
Aisha Gordon Grant, in her prime years ago, made a living as an entrepreneur, producing drapery and doing floral arrangements.
I love to match my colors.
A mother of 3, Aisha says things were going well. But while making plans to grow the business in 2009, she started feeling ill. Not long after, she found out she had a brain tumor. While she had it removed successfully, she lost her sight.
Knowing that you have your sight, you have your job, you have something, make sure that your living is okay. And my sight went, everything is like I lost everything. Sometimes I feel like I just want to die. Because I said, what is the use? My sight is not there. I was feeling hungry some of the time. But one thing I didn't lose was my faith in God. Never let go my cane.
Though struggling to adapt, Aisha was determined to regain her independence. She started doing things around the house while encouraging herself.
I'm starting to get happy and I said, okay, God, I know I can do this. The next step now is for you now to help me, to make me just meet up with the right persons to help me to go through this, because I know I can do this, because you said it, I can do all things through you.
She enrolled at the Jamaica Society for the Blind, where she learned to cook and use a cane.
So the pot clean. I love to cook. Yes, I am a cook. Not a chef, but a cook. And when I cook, I am very unique with my cooking. I like to even do decorating.
Already certified in drapery making, Aisha is now preparing to get certified in floral arrangements in a bid to restart that business. She showed us what she's been doing so far.
Person's getting married and she have her dress and need to be clean. Yes, Aisha clean bridal gowns. And I also make the corsages. I make wreaths for funeral. Right now, I'm just doing business if someone called me and said, okay, they need something to be done. And yes, I'm ready to do it as long as I have the sweet breath of life. I may be broken where sight is concerned, and I'm here, I have life, so a broken crayon can still color. So don't give up hope.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.